Welcome back to another Bitcoin video, day 2202 of stacking Bitcoin, buying $1 every single day. Current Bitcoin balance is 0.1264445. The current value of that is $12,446. Plus I have about $3 worth here in my Strike app, which I use to purchase Bitcoin. If you want to learn how to do that, just check out the previous videos. This is going to be a quick one, just an update and kind of looking where we're at in the crypto market. Current Bitcoin price, $98,431. So recently, there's been a lot of news and kind of panic in the crypto markets. So I had to sort of take a step back and look at where we're actually at in this cycle. So if we go back to 2016, the halving was around this point. And the top of the cycle was 558 days after that. In 2020, a run up here that was 336 days, but then the top was about 552 days after the halving. So very similar to 16 as well. And now here we are in 2025. We're about 306 days after the halving, give or take. That's an estimate. You could do the exact math if you wanted to look it up. And I have these bars kind of from the previous cycles. So normally the top would happen like mid-October. There was this run up here that was 336 days, so that would be around mid-March. Another thing to look at, during these halvings, we were down about 50% from the previous top. And during the latest halving, we were basically at all-time highs. So I would expect things to happen faster this time around. You know, maybe we don't go this full 550 days, but maybe it happens sooner, or maybe this is already as good as it gets this cycle. Hard to say, but luckily for this experiment, it doesn't matter. We're just dollar cost averaging. You have to kind of take this info and analyze it however you would. If you're a trader or you're looking to buy low, sell high. For this experiment, I just buy $1 every day. It doesn't matter. And let's go ahead and do the math on that. So we're going to say just $12,450 divided by 2,202 days equals a 5.65x on my investment. So that's very good. Can't beat that. Let's do the dollar amount gained. $12,450 minus 2,202 days equals $10,248 gained. So pretty amazing for $1 a day experiment. And like I've said before, I'm not selling this Bitcoin. I'm just holding it, continuing to do the experiment for as long as I can. That's it for this one. Just a quick update. Hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.